Hello friends, this question is from test series number 1. Subject is network theory, topic name is network solution methodology. It's a 2 marks problem. So question says that calculate the output voltage. Okay, so this is the network we have. Let's name this node as a node V1, this node as a node V2, and this node as a node V3. And as you know that in our network theory, whenever we intend to apply nodal analysis, we always assume one reference node in the circuit. Since in the circuit we have this voltage source of 4 volt and this is the negative terminal is connected here, so it is very fair to assume this as a reference. Okay, so this is my reference node and all other node will going to calculate all other voltage with reference of this node. Okay, so now this is V1, V2, V3 and we need to calculate V0. So now what is my V0? V0 basically V1 minus V3, right? V1 and V3, difference between V1 and V3. So we need to calculate the value of V1 and V3. Okay, so just look at here is node N1. The incoming current is 2 ampere and the outgoing current is 3 ampere. You know that KCL should be valid at each and every point of the circuit, and KCL says that sum of the incoming current is equal to the sum of the outgoing current. So if the incoming current is more, if the incoming current is less and outgoing current is more, outgoing current is 3 ampere, incoming current is 2 ampere, so we will have incoming current of, at this node will have one excess incoming current of 1 ampere, such that total incoming current will equal to total outgoing current, right? Similarly, at node N2 we have a 2 ampere outgoing current, 3 ampere incoming current, so we'll have a 1 ampere outgoing current from the node N2, right? Now let's apply nodal at node V1. Nodal at V1. Okay, so assume this is one as I1 and current across this branch as I2. So nodal at V1, sum of the incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current. All the three currents are incoming, so I1 plus I2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So I1 will be V1 minus V2 by 1. I2 will be V1 minus 0 by 3. V1 minus 0 by 3 plus 1. Let's take the LCM. 3V1 minus 3V2 plus V1 plus 3 is equal to 0. Total 4V1 minus 3V2 is equal to minus 3. This is equation number 1. Now similarly, let's apply nodal at node V3. Assume this current as I3 and this as I4. Apply KCL at V3. What is V3? Incoming current is 1, outgoing current is I3 and I4. So I3 plus I4 is equal to 1. What is I3? V3 minus V2 upon 1 and V3 minus 0 upon 1. V3 minus V2 upon 1 plus V3 minus 0 upon 1 is equal to 1. That is twice of V3 minus V2 is equal to 1. Is my equation number 2. So in the equation number 1 also we have one variable V2. In equation number 2 also we have one variable V2. I think it's fair. We should apply KCL at node V2 only. So apply KCL at V2. Again KCL, we already have this branch name I3. This is I1. Assume this branch as I5. Okay, again KCL or nodal basically. In the nodal analysis we apply KCL only. We say KCL or nodal. So at node B2 again sum of the incoming current is equal to sum of the outgoing current. How many incoming current we have? We have two incoming current, that is I1 and I3. I1 plus I3 is equal to I5, right? So what is my I1? I1 is equal to V1 minus V2 by 1. What is my I3? Is V3 minus V2 by 1 is equal to I5, which is V2 minus 4 by 2. Again take the LCM. So twice of V1 minus twice of V2 plus twice of V3 minus twice of V2 is equal to V2 minus 4. This will be my twice of V1 plus 2 to 4 minus 5 of V2 plus twice of V3 is equal to minus 4. So if I will take the value of V2 in one side, so twice of V1 plus twice of V3 plus 4 is equal to 5 of V2. So this will be like V2 is equal to twice of V1 plus twice of V3 plus 4 by 5. So what you need to do is like put the value of V2 in equation number 1, put the value of V2 in equation number 3, equation number 2, because V2 is in the V2 is a variable of terms of V1 and V3. Equation number 1 is a variable of V1 and V2. Equation number 2 is a variable of V3 and V2. So when you put the value of V2 in equation number 1 and 2, we will get two equations in the variable of V1 and V3, and then we'll solve these two equations and we'll get the value of V1 and V3, right? So just put this value. So put the values of V2 in the equation 1 and 2, and you will get the value as V2 V1 is equal to 3 by 10, which is 0.3 volt. V3 is equal to 1.2 volt, and as you have know that we have defined V0 is V1 minus V3, so our V0 will be V1 0.3 minus 1.2, that is minus 0.9 volt. So our output voltage is minus 0.9 volt, which is nothing but minus 0.9 volt. So actually it's a very good problem of nodal analysis where we will have a good practice. You need to apply nodal analysis in, or you can say that KCL, basically Kirchhoff's current law, in 5 different nodes. First of all, you need to apply KCL at node N1 to find this current 1 ampere. Then you need to apply KCL at node N2 to find this again current, and then you need to apply nodal analysis at node V1, V2 and V3, right? And then you will get the values of all these node and you will simply get the output voltage. Thank you.